Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. I'm gonna show you how to zero gap this TPOB Play Hair Trimmer. Okay, and you're gonna need this thing. Okay, and you're gonna need this as well. Okay, both of them comes inside the box of TPOB. Okay, and some people just zero gap it just like this. Put this thing here and then start turning. It's okay, but for me, it is easier for me to remove the blade. As you can see. So here, in this one, put it inside this place here. See, wait a moment, you see this hole? Here and here. That's where you zero gap it. Okay? Put it inside and start turning. When you are turning, then you see it's moving. So when you move it to your choice, where you really want it. Let me focus. So now I will move it. So I guess it's okay now, right there. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move the second part. Okay. You see, it's moving. So now I'm gonna move it over the other. I'm gonna move it over the steel blade. So now it's more than the steel blade. So this is the steel blade. You see, it's modern. So for you to put it back again, to the right position, then you need this one right here. Okay. You need to open this place, this one, here and here. Release. Come out. Then pull back. See that? It's already back. Then tighten it. So back again. Now I can zero gap it again. So is it good now? Not. Just maybe a little bit more. Okay. So that's how you zero gap your TPOB Play Hair Trimmer. And this is the pencil blade. So, peace, man.